Okay, I'm going to show you why this is not a 9-can mechanism. Although you can see it's nice and thick. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so you can see I've got this thing flush against, but if I try closing it, you can't fit that in there. So what I had to do is go ahead and load that up there. Put this here for a moment. Stick that down the center a bit, and then you have the and then that. Now, what about the top row, you might think? What if I do that? Well, again, you can see it sticks out, and you're not going to be able to do that. So, it can hold up to 7. Otherwise, good product.